Edo State government don't revoke, and in fact, they don't complain about the bad road where they go do inside Akoka road for Edo State. On a reason one time where one man come outside, they complain, road where they do, say the road no good. Say if this man use one of his finger, even drag road, this road don't destroy. Road don't come out. It be like, say this man shout. The complaint where this man complain, it don't reach the right authorities. The thing don't go enter the right people here because they don't come outside. Go they do inspection on top of that road to see what thing really happen for them. Now their deputy governor, Philip Swaibu, come decide say, okay, himself he hear this thing. Make him carry himself. Go do the investigation, see say this thing na true, abi no be true. My people beg, make na follow me watch.
State governor revoked the contract. He also announced that the Edo State government has taken over the project execution from the contractor and awarded it to C4.
The contractor handling this project must be arrested. We are also handing over the contractor and the honorable member to EFCC, to ICPC, for us to check what was supposed to be done and why this kind of job is done. We in Edo State, we don't have any problem with our reps and our senator. Recently, Senator Ali Mekena wrote to government that he wants to build a dialysis center. We granted him space, we gave him space, and we supervised to make sure that what he's doing is in line with our standard. Unfortunately, Honorable Patterson did not write to us that he wants to do any constituency project. I'm aware that 360 million is a mark for him for this year's constituency project.
The governor expressed appreciation to the young man who drew public attention to the poor contract execution. He appealed to the people of Edo State to take full responsibility of projects in their areas, stressing that government cannot be everywhere to monitor standard of execution.
For you to rise against this contractor and to rise to say that this road is not being done well means that you are actually taking in charge of governance in your area. Because if you have not raised it, that is how they will have just deceived. After 1 month, the road is gone and it's on record that this road is already done. Government is doing something for you. Be in charge of it. We build schools for you. You allow people to vandalize it, saying it's government property. Who will suffer when those schools are vandalized? Is it not we? Now that you have taken charge, can anybody vandalize it? So that is why I'm thanking you people for taking this decision.
In fact, I gbadu this man talk well. The man talk say everything where this contractor do, say na rubbish. Say the thing no even fall into standard at all. Say the thing where they do, it no even mean at all. But I can't dey surprise. Say I think say all this kind government road before they approve them, they know about them. And say they carry 360 million. Now they award to this constructor. 360 million. Now they give you to do this kind of work. You can't decide again to go do rubbish. Now there they feel saying all these government people themselves they are aware. Because for them to even inaugurate before they go carry money, give constructor, they go first don't already know all this whole plan before the thing they happen. So it means that themselves they just won't carry this blame, give this constructor. Because as we gather, the man don't already talk say, may they go arrest this constructor. Say not be police, make police never near him. EFCC, this man crime, it means say he even high. He pass corruption, say na EFCC na go arrest this man. Say because how they go carry that kind of money give you, you can't go they misbehave, go they do rubbish for them. They say carry money, build something. You go buy cement, 3 bags, mix and with spare water, they do gutter. Gravel where don't expire, now you come pour for road, say make people they pass. And I sure say all this government, they see this road, they see this thing. I don't even want to talk to make I don't even go blame this constructor. I sure say they see this thing, they know. Before this man starts this road, they go don't go there now, go talk the whole matter. So I sure say this thing na collabo. Plus the government, plus this man, somebody they hide this money. Maybe out of this 360, he don't settle 300. Maybe now the 60K now I go come you say, make a kuku manager now, they do road for them. Because I don't understand this kind of thing. But as it be, this government people say they don't talk, say they go investigate this matter. Say whoever they go carry this new contract give now, they go make sure say they sit down with the person. Make sure say they get value for their money. May no just can't do anyhow work, can't drop for them. They go make sure say they follow and negotiate, sit down with them, discuss and well, because this one na shame. In fact, thank you to this man wey go outside go shout. Because if not be him, in fact, I sure say one change no go enter inside Edo State. But as the man go outside now, go para complain, and as he say good thing don't enter in the land. It means all these government people, every complaint people they complain that they hear. They just decide say they want they fall on deaf ear, they want they do like say they know they hear. It means that they hear everything. Mr. Contractor being a constructor. Now you are pity because I don't even know the kind of way EFCC won't do. Because you know say if you send police now you go feel bribe your EFCC. You don't enter them. In fact, sorry for you. I don't they tell you sorry already. My people, I hear this one. I want to make a bring and come outside. Make na service na ear. Here everything they happen. Anything when I feel, make no forget to write them for the comment section. Make no forget to like and also share this video. I go see you now for the next video. Parents of the adopted Bethel Baptist High School don't come outside to go holler for one Kaduna State commissioner. They say this man go there say he won't go meet them these people. Make him just follow them, sympathize small. Now there then these people holler. This man, whether they call him Samuel Aruwan, he go this public space where then these people sit down there. It be like say then these people, they never even let this man land at all before they won't go bury him. They never even wait self, listen to what this man talk. My people, if not see they pursue this man, say me get out from their front. My people, I beg, make na follow me watch.
The Commissioner of Internal Security was forced back by the angry parents and they had to withdraw and reverse back.
This one now overcrowded rejection. It be like say they never want to see this man at all. They never ready to hear what this man talk. But me I feel say at least enough for just calm down small. Hear what this man want talk. Because I never even know the reason why to make this man come there. Because on top this kidnapping matter, now here we hear say then these kidnappers they reach out to the school say they need food stuff. Hey. People who kidnap people, they talk say they need food stuff. Say they need rice, beans, ororo. Hey, I never hear this one reach. Where we say person who kidnap person, you can't get list of food items so you won't collect. I don't know say na so na don dey run in our own business. So and say as the thing be safe, they want them this thing so that then these children no go starve. You when you know say you won't do kidnapping business, you never plan yourself ready say you won't keep food down for them these people. Now I come they reach out to the school say on I need food where they go use. And I see what they happen. I mean I confused maybe now waiting commissioner come carry him motor say make I go there go tell on her. Maybe na go do a job in a susu on how they go take gather this money. They go search the I feel say na waiting this man go there for before then these people come push on. But then this kidnappers it be like say na own work and even understand. Say they never request for money. This one when I never request for money now food na come they request for. Say in fact then these kidnappers even in fact they treat them well. They give them these children phone make they follow their parents speak to. And when they want I think say na from here DSS have been a police supposed track them these numbers. And they say all this our police if we talk say they know they work and I would say person they lie. They call on now they even follow them these people talk. Within this period when they follow them these people talk. I beg why on now not doing an investigation? Track where this call they come from. I think say na the reason why be saying I can't bring out NIN to make everybody go do NIN. Now upon the NIN what people do, and still no get solution. It means everything what person they do inside this Nigeria self now just waste. Person get number, he go register that number with him phone number, name, everything. Still, una no still know who be then this kidnappers wey come carry them this thing. Then these kidnappers even get vim. In fact, na the vim and authority to me. To still come outside, they talk say this one, say they need food stuff. And na for their mouth, you know, say why they carry them this student, they the school say they don't know how many people they carry. Now then contact now 121 students and they carry you. Say now then I can't they wonder which motor they use to pack all this people. Say come on, one security officer no fit do anything. Before they pack them, these children go 121 people. So one security be one person no even tries. Make her try even fight them these people, be escape them these children small. He say miss all these security people, we just they waste money, they know they work. So now I sure say that this what they call kidnappers, they go still ask for blanket and umbrella. Because we don't enter rainy season. They go still call saying a blanket now they want you. This kidnapping strategy, I know they understand. They suppose find way because this one it just be like say they learn. Now learn kidnappers now they be. They be amateur, they never sabi work well. They just use them this better student, they do example. So I beg, I don't know as they want to do. I beg our government and they will go find these children. I feel say they don't even drop track. They don't already put solution down for now. Make them just follow this number where they call. Find the people go. Go bring out people children. People children now they just gather for there. They shout. I feel their pain. I sure now waiting make them pursue this commissioner. I feel say the thing they vex them because even if the commissioner come this way, nothing will go feed. You go just come, they can't give them motivational speaker, say, maybe they don't cry, they are picking. Apart from that one, nothing way they go do. And this whole matter say, to they put mouth, and we won't come out our mouth. Because now their governor self talk say, now their business be that. So if now business, I beg, make the governor try, settle this whole thing. The kidnapping, you don't do too much. My people, I hear this one. I want to make her bring and come on aside. Make na service na here. Hear wetin dey happen. Anything wey na feel, make na no forget to write am for the comment section. Make na no forget to like, share this video. I go see you for the next video.